Mzansi Fashion Scenes, but today is Mzansi Gossip Scenes. Let's talk about Leroy and Mary Jane. Are they back together? Are they back together, or they were just cordially co-parenting for their daughter's matric dance? Cause they looked they looked beautiful on those photos. Those photos looked beautiful, and I don't know if they are back together or they were just co-parenting and making sure that their daughter has a beautiful matric dance. But I don't know, maybe they are back together because you never know with these people. You will never know. But Mary Jane looks fire. Like she pulled a Tony Braxton and wow, girl looks fire. Like that dress. I'm sure she was like, you know what? Leroy is coming and we're gonna take photos. I want him to see what he has lost. What he has lost. I mean, she looked fire. That man played in her face by being unfaithful to her with Mihlali and left her for Mihlali. But the rumors on the streets are saying that Mary Jane was apparently allegedly cheating on Leroy with his business partner. So tell me how you feel about this down in the comments. Like, why did Mary Jane pull a Tony Braxton? Are they back together or they're just co-parenting? So let me know. So all of this, Jima Shiro's crash out is because he was told that he's trying to be pori by buying a fake Louis Vuitton jean. All of this because of a fake Louis Vuitton jean. Like I thought maybe something significant happened. Mara, all of this because of a fake Louis Vuitton jean. Like, why are they so afraid to wear designer clothes? Is it because Maporisa is the only one that is supposed to stand out, to be the hot man, to be the one who looks like he has money? I know he has money, but why are they so afraid to buy themselves these kinds of clothes? Why are they so committed to buying Amakip only and wearing Galax Boy and all of that? It's because they don't want to stand out. They don't want to outshine Pori. Or my Poriza was the one who said, you know what, guys, you're not supposed to outshine me. Or they are the ones that decided, or you know what, we don't want to outshine him. He's the hot man, like he's above us. So we're not supposed to wear the things that he wears. Ew, this is so wrong. That is so corny. Like, what is all of this? What is all of this? And as for 2 Point, I feel like he regrets ever telling Jimashiro anything. Like Jimashiro spilled all the things they were talking about. For me, with the alleged sacrifices, I'm not really surprised because we know that some dark things are happening in the industry. But what surprises me the most is the fact that my Porisa is allegedly fucking ex Davi's girlfriend. Like, aren't they close? Like, these people are close. So why would you like fuck his girlfriend? Or is it because he's the hot man? Like, I don't get it. But what surprises me is why did DJ Gary go to the airport with cameras, guys? Why did he do that? I know that they're saying he's producing and filming a reality TV show, but why would he do that? Yo, guys, that is so corny. But about this video down in the comments, and I'll chit chat with you later. Bye.